I can people now welcome back to my channel today. The one for double wahala season don't come out come fire shots at Phyna over her statement for her recent podcast wey be say she do. So for those of una wey be say no know who DeeOne be, DeeOne na comedian. Im come out for Big Brother Naija double wahala season, and Big Brother come bring am as guest, as in to entertain the Big Brother Naija All Stars housemate. So they call am that night make e come do comedy show, and the thing was very dry, wey be say come cause the problem between him and White Money. So the guy na person wey be say he has turned himself to be a troll online. In dey troll everybody, anything wey fly pass, DeeOne is always there to attack the person. So for Phyna recent podcast, Phyna make a statement wey be say don dey trend, and people don dey call her out because of that particular statement wey be say she make. If you never subscribe to this video, please try and subscribe, like this video, help me share am so that it will go viral, and drop your comment for the comment section below. Una thank you. So the statement wey be say Phyna make, wey be say dey make everybody cry online, she mention to say after the show, when she win and finish, say she go club one day. For there na one particular guy come dey tell her say he go give her 5 million naira so that he go run her, carry her go hotel, all those type of thing. So the girl, she come politely refuse am. So people come out dey call Phyna say she dey lie, say she collect the money, say nobody offer her 5 million naira, all those type of thing. Make una lis ten to wetin she talk before I drop the comment under that post.
Club one day, club wey be say me I dey ball, I dey turn up by myself.
Straight up.
One guy, y'all come, y'all waka enter VIP inside, now pack bling bling full neck. Hey, hi Phyna, I say hi, I'm your fan. Time, I want to take a picture. And the next thing was, can I spend a night with you for 5 million naira? I look at 5 million. I looked at my manager. I looked at him. I said, call your account, man. Do you 5M? They go ask. And he was like, no, I'm sorry. That's not. I think I come off for you.
Straight up.
Now, I wasn't dancing in the club and trying to do you sexually. I wasn't shaking my on my. But they saw, oh, Phyna. Oh, she went on Big Brother. Oh, Big Brother girls. It's crazy. It's affecting a lot of us.
So now don't hear her. So make I just read some comment here. The first person here can say, lie on us, Phyna. We are your Vitafoam. Another one can say, people be legit thinking celebrities and influencers are lying when they say people dash them money randomly. Just because it's not your reality doesn't mean it doesn't happen. The only reason why I don't announce mine is simply because I don't want billing. Now the truth, I don't mention this thing to una before to say most of all these celebrity, the same way be so now they carry on money vote for them. And so some people they carry their money, they dash them physically. So say na one person now dash 67 million, contribute 7 million for CC where she take where they add they buy that mansion when they buy for her. People they go out of their way to please this Big Brother Naija housemates. The earlier when I realize that, the better. So another person can say of all the things that never happened, this never happened the most. Now check where Phyna to say she meets this particular fan where won't give her the 5 million. Now for inside club, for those of them say they go club, and more not pretend for year. If you be person where be say they go club, you go say a lot of things they happen for club. If you go club, person feel dash you money in the influence of alcohol. So more not even go that side. She's not lying from what I don't see so far for my life. She not dey lie. I know how many times wey be say I dey waka for a person go just see me. I not be celebrity o. Nothing. You just say, please, I won't give you this money. I saw you walking on the sun. Can you just take this, use it to enter motor? It dey happen. So the same thing now they happen to her. So I not see a reason why we say a person go the verse if she come they talk this kind of thing. So I not see them as lie. The one come out with the class chaser attitude, they call out Phyna, say Phyna they lie, say there's no how where we say she go talk all those ones. Say make Phyna provide proof. Say the guy really make she bring proof like phone number or something. So make una lis ten to wetin DeeOne talk about this Phyna matter.
So sorry Phyna, this thing that happened now, I'm not saying you are lying, no, don't get me wrong, but how would they confirm? How would they confirm? Say, this thing happened. Do you have the guy's number or something so I can ask him? If you told him that. So you just gonna say, send your account. Let me send you 5 million. Eh? I'm not saying you're lying, no. I mean, but can we just verify? Is there a verification process? You know, just to verify, just the way you verify your NI and all those. Can we verify this gist and thing? You tell the guy say you want to give him 5 million. Okay, he can't tell you say sorry, don't send it.
So as he make this statement finish, Phyna fans dey not take am lightly with him because they believe just say the guy, everybody know the one na. He don use cloud chasing till dey push himself into spotlight. So make I read some of the comments under that he post. So the first person here come say, "Oh, is this what the one has reduced to? Trolling or mashe? Na the truth. Na wetin e don result to. The other day they throw the video." Another person come say, how many people wey dey lie for this IG wey you dey verify, looking for issues everywhere? I don tell una, anywhere problem dey, anywhere wey be say cloud chasing dey, you know say e get certain people name wey be say you fit stay chase cloud, you go make am. Na so e just be for this entertainment industry. For wetin we don notice so far, there are some people wey be say if you call their name, you must make am. Na so e just be like Davido now. Once you use Davido name chase clout, na more say you must make am. You must get engagement for your page, you must get followers, you must get everything. So na so e be for Phyna too. Once anybody wan just chase clout, they use Phyna name take chase the clout. You must get engagement. So na wetin the one dey find be that. So another person come say, how many people wey dey lie for this IG wey you don verify? Okay, I don read that one. Come say everybody wan use Phyna raise their dead career. I don't even forget say this one dey exist. My dear, me too. I don't. A lot of people say that's why I need to explain who the one be to una, because most of una say una fit don't forget who him be. So another person go say, which kind of question is that the one? She already said is a random fan. How will she know her number? Moreover, can just say that to show off also in the guy's side. The next person can say this one just like to dey put in leg, hand and mouth for waiting no concern am till the dead career no rise. Still the dead career no rise. The next person say, I don't like the one, but whatever he says about Phyna is true, period. Come put laughing emoji. So imagine that type of place where we say people, where we say they enter there, you need to dress naked. Everybody go to see you as Olosho, even though say you no be Olosho. Sometimes you might just even go to club to go and have fun, but by the time you say you did there, people go to see say this one na Olosho, make we go try our best. They will offer you money. So I don't see a big deal for inside this thing. I don't see the lie where they for the honestly. So the last person here say, I pity this guy wife trying so hard to be funny but still not funny. Go find yourself another job, Mr. Man. Phyna never get time to answer the one. All of us know say Phyna no dey back down from any fight. He call her name, now that you do, she go drag you to the ends of the earth. So Mona, stay close, because I dey very sure say Phyna go respond to the one very soon and it's gonna be epic. Una take care, una bye.